In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content workflow in Notion. We'll build a simple system that keeps ideas organized, deadlines visible, and every piece of content moving from start to finish without confusion. Start by creating a new database inside your Notion workspace dedicated to content management. A full-page database works well because it gives you a focused home for everything you'll produce. This database will hold every article, video, post, or newsletter as its own entry, so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, add a few essential columns to the database. Keep content title as the main title field. Add a status column so you can track progress at a glance. Add a platform column to note where the piece will be published, like your blog or social channels. Add a deadline column using the date property so you can plan backward from publish day. Finally, add an assigned person column with the people property to make ownership crystal clear. As you build, choose property types that match their purpose so filtering and viewing stay simple later. Now define your workflow stages. Create status options for idea, drafting, editing, scheduled, and published. These stages outline the life cycle of your content, from a spark of inspiration to a finished piece that's live. Keep the names short and clear so teammates can scan and understand instantly. Switch to board view and group the board by the status column. You'll see your content entries as cards you can drag from idea to drafting, over to editing, then to scheduled, and finally to published. This Kanban style makes bottlenecks obvious and helps you balance your workload. Open each content entry to store the details. Add notes with outlines or key messages. Attach drafts or creative assets, and paste publishing links once something goes live. Centralizing everything in the entry saves you time hunting through folders and messages. Create a calendar view connected to the deadline column to visualize your schedule. With a monthly calendar, you can spot busy weeks, avoid bunching similar topics, and make sure each platform gets consistent coverage. Finally, review and update the workflow regularly. Set a recurring moment to tidy ideas, adjust deadlines, and promote or archive entries as needed. If a stage isn't serving you, rename it or refine your definitions so your system stays accurate and easy to use. With this setup, your content production will stay organized, consistent, and stress-free.